Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to my channel. We'll see the tools and hacks we've got in this short video. Let's see what's in this beautiful bathroom. She's washing her hands using this liquid soap. This is a dispenser where you can store cereals. This blender you can use for making juice. This is a rice cooker. It's an electric appliance you can use for cooking rice. This is another electric tool. That's a pan you can use for cooking. We've got this frying pan you can use for making omelette. We've got these plastic organizers you can use in your fridge. This is another tool. This is a cutter. You can use it for cutting vegetables and fruits. This is another plastic organizer. We've got this tool you can use for plastic foil.